Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are running Facebook ads and want to reach more people, just like your best customers, then this tutorial is for you. Today I'm showing you how to create a lookalike audience inside Facebook Ads Manager in 2025 step by step. So, what's the lookalike audience? It's a powerful tool that helps you target new people or on Facebook and Instagram who share similar behaviors and traits with your existing customers, followers or leads. This works by using a source audience like your email list, website visitors, or people who engaged with your page. And Facebook finds people who look like them across uh, their network. Let's create one. Head over to Meta Business Suite. Click on the left hand menu and go to Audience. If you don't see it, just go to uh, business.facebook.com and look for the audience section under Ads Manager Tools. Add Adverts Manager Tools. Before you create a lookalike, you need a source audience. Click on Create a Customer Audience. Create a custom audience. You can use data from website visitors. If you have set up the meta pixel, your customer email list, people who watched your videos, or anyone who engaged with your page or Instagram profile. Now, once your source audience is ready, click on Create Audience, create a lookalike audience. Select your source audience from here. Choose the location. From here, browse, then countries, uh, like then select your country here. Choose then set the audience size like 2, 3. A 1% lookalike is very similar to your source but smaller. A 10% is broader but less similar. Start with 1 for best performance. 1% for best performance. Then test bigger sizes later. Now let's use your lookalike in an ads. Go to Ads Manager. Start a new campaign, and when you get to the ad set label, go to Audience section. Click on Use Saved or Create a Saved Audience from the list. You can also layer it with a gender, age, gender, or interest targeting for better precision. Here are a few quick tips. Always use high quality resource audience, ideally with over 100 people, 1000 people. Use lookalikes with conversions or leads campaign objectives. Split test different sizes 1%, 3%, 5% to see what works best. Avoid overlapping lookalikes in the same campaign. It can mess up delivery. And that's how you create and use lookalike audiences in Facebook ads in 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a questions in the comments. I will reply to everyone. Thanks for watching and good luck with your campaigns.